We are now doing PSLE 2024 Paper 2 Question 11. I really like this question. For those of you who can't get the answer, please follow me really closely. At first, Tina had a total of 97 small and large minutes. She gave away 4 small minutes and bought some large minutes. The number of large minutes increased by 50%. In the end, she had a total of 114 minutes. Now let's start off this question by drawing out the matrix. We have small minutes, we have large minutes, we have total. All right, and at first, it gave plus pi. At the end, right, she had a total of 97 minutes at first. Do we know the small too big? No, we don't. So let's just draw boxes for now. She gave away 4 small minutes, so she minus 4 here. And she bought some large minutes. Do we know how many? No, we don't. Let's put a box here. Okay. The number of large minutes increased by 50%. In the end, she had a total of 114. This is the total. We are going to look at this first step. From 97 to 114. What is the difference? 114 minus 97, that will give you 17, which means that there's an increase of 17. However, there's a minus 4 in front. To get to a total of 17 additional minutes, it means that Tina will have to buy 21 large minutes. All right. How do we get 21? 17 plus 4. Now, we have a second clue here that says the number of large minutes increased by 50%. Increased by 50%. This means that 50% is 21. Am I right? The number of large minutes increased by 21. It increased by 50%, which means the original 100% was 42. So we can fill this in. 42 increased by 50%, which is 21. Now you have a total of 42 plus 21, 63. Okay, so I guess now it's easy for us to fill in the blanks. 97, 42. This will give us 55. 55 small plus 42 large will give us 97 total. 55 minus 4 will give us 51. All right, now let's get to the question. How many large minutes did Tina have in the end? Large minutes here, 63 minutes. Fill in the blank and circle the correct word in the statement. Tina had how many more minutes at first, small or large? Now, at first, let's look at this line. She has 55 small minutes and 42 large minutes. So she has more of the small minutes. How many more? 55 minus 42, which will give us 13. So 13 more small minutes at first.